Now then. Now, there we go. There we go. There we go. We should be cooking. You guys can hear this now. YouTube won't be able to hear it. You guys should be able to hear the music and stuff. And then we should be all cooking. I'll have to properly set up the enhanced broadcasting later on or something like that. It's just because I've just literally installed the beta on top of my normal install and just gone, yeah, that's it. That works. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Oh. But cheers, everybody. I'm in a much better mood today. Sorry about yesterday. Yesterday, I was just feeling so beat up. So, like, I think everything's just hitting me at the moment. You know, like, the whole house stuff that I've got going on. Trying to get the house moved, done and stuff. And then really tight on, like, cash. And then I've been working my ass off. But I've not been managing my time very well and, like, putting time into projects that aren't netting any revenue and stuff like that. But it's difficult because you've got a passion for it. I think I just got in my own head a lot yesterday with everything that's going on. I was just, yeah, a bit tired. But I'm feeling a lot better today. And pretty positive. I finished the prediction widget, I think. So we're going to run a test on that when we get a few more bodies in here. We'll run the Twitch prediction test. Just see how it goes. Oh, that's Orcs. Firing another advert at you because I've just started. That's Orcs. Ha! Ha! Double ad, bitch! Yo! Draconianitis. That's an incredible name. Very long. How you doing? Welcome on in. How'd you find us today? What's going on? Hope you're doing well. Just been double whammied with adverts. How do you all feel? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I don't care either. Why is this so big? That is what she said. Bibi Yoda, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing great, thank you. I'm doing very, very good. Just plodding on, keeping busy. Keeping myself in and out of trouble as you do. Something I needed to test actually was the new get bitrate stream up. Let me just test this whilst I'm live now. Stream up get bitrate ? Go. Oh, see, I don't know where it's getting these numbers from, man. Seven. Like, where are you getting these numbers from? This bitrate. No, Baby Yoda. I will not do that. Like, why do people do this, man? Like, come and advertise your own shit in my channel. Like, no, nobody cares. Nobody actually cares. Even if I checked it out, what are you gonna get from it? Nothing. Oh, there we go. Somebody's come up with an issue for the seamless transition. I need to look into it. Before I release it, you just release it. Like, that's what you do. Making content on anything, it physically doesn't matter. Don't ask for people's opinion. Does not matter. Just get it out. Just get it out. Because nobody cares. That's what I've learned in my 4 or 5 years of making content. Nobody cares. People will just listen to it if they want to. They won't if they don't. If they get told to listen to it, they're not going to listen to it unless it's by the media. So if like somebody mainstream really tell it like, yeah, you need to listen to this thing, people ain't going to listen to it. No, it's just how it is. This isn't me to discourage you. This is me telling, just put it out there. Just get it out. There's no need to ask for, you can ask for feedback and stuff like that. That's cool. But no, you don't need feedback before releasing it. Just release it. Just release it. You'll get feedback naturally. Otherwise, you're just going to always keep going back to point A and you'll never release it. Just release it. But how you doing, Slimy? You good? It's how it is. It sounds really rude, though. Innit? Sounds really rude, doesn't it, Dean? Like, nobody cares. But it's true. Thank you very honestly. Really appreciate it. Anytime. There you go. Just get it out. Anything I've learned in the 5 years is just in the best way possible. Nobody gives a shit. Like, and if you go in with that mindset, you can only get better than that. So if you go in with the mindset that I'm releasing this, nobody cares about it. Right, sound. If you get one little tiny bit of positive feedback from it, that's more than you thought. Baby Yoda, thank you very much for the follow. Put your overstone. Appreciate it. Just grinding some gaming whilst dying from the heat. It's not too bad here today. It's quite overcast. Also, save disappointment. Exactly. Right, that's why I just do stuff. Right, are you guys free to test out the new widget? Is that alright? 10 years of making content. Listen, the other person standing in the way is yourself. True that. That's another good way of putting it. Right, this is a long prediction title. I'm just going to run this prediction title, and you guys just test it, please. We'll do a proper prediction in a bit. This one's just a test one, because I don't know what it's going to work like. In fact, let me refresh and just do one with 10 answers just to make sure that it kind of works. Because it's different when you're just making something, and then, where is it? Test prediction. Where's the one with all that? Yeah, here we go. Run again. There you go. So I've set this up for ages as well, I think. That countdown timer is actually going down, but it's set up for like 10 minutes or something stupid. So just fire in your channel points. Just bang loads in. I'm going to cancel it anyway. Just bang a ton in. It should be counting, so I'm just going to check the widget. They're going to watch it like a hawk. Everyone just bang in a ton of channel points. Literally, you're not going to lose anything because I'm going to cancel it. You will not lose anything. Just bang a ton in on different answers if you would. So, oh, damn. So it should count up over 300 milliseconds, so it'll look like it's like typing up, which is pretty cool. So if you all just keep fiddling about with that. Hey, Rizal. Morning, Trent. How you doing? Come on, guys. More points, man. Throw the points in. Go all in. Everybody all in. You're not going to lose anything, I promise. Promise. Unless there's any troll moderators, but if there are troll moderators, I'm going to punch them. Because I will cancel it. Don't worry. There we go. Oh, man, it's looking good. This looks good. It looks real good. Tutorial Stinger transition. I don't have Stinger transitions. I either use Move transition or I use my plugin that I created called Cena's transition, which means you can create anything on a scene. I've got a video on it. Just type in Cena !help Cena's transition. You'll be able to see all the info on it. This looks real nice. I think the extra bit with the numbers counting up is like the icing on the cake, isn't it? That looks super cool. Right, let's actually do a prediction then. So I'm going to cancel that one. Let's not resolve it because somebody will be very upset losing them points. So we'll cancel it. Alright, Wicked, why is cancel not working? And why is it still like going? Oh, there's a queue for it. Why is it taking so long to run? So it's going to cancel it now, even though I cancelled it ages ago. Okay, so there's just delay in there at the moment, which is quite strange. Some artificial delay, but that looks good though, doesn't it? That looks real nice. Seems to run a lot better than the previous one did. So let me just we'll take a little gander at what's going off in here. So the thing that runs is it should be prediction updated. This is the only thing that should run. So let's go check out this and see where this wait time's coming from. I've not put any weights in. It might be just because it's working out so much information. Because there's nothing here to suggest it should wait. Apart from set source filter settings. It'll be because there's 10 answers. So it's working them all out and then setting the crop values for each of them. So let's actually run a... we're going to just do flip the coin. And you guys can actually do a prediction now. So you could win and lose. Heads. Tails. Or bang it over 120 seconds. There you go. There you go. Get on a prediction, and we'll flip a coin, and we'll see what the crack is. So fire in your points. You could just win some channel points here, because we're testing it, making sure it works. Let me get the action queue up. That's running so much quicker now, because there's only 2 answers. Yeah, I cancelled the other one. Don't forget you can do custom amounts, guys, when you press on the channel point thing. Oh my god, somebody's gone, 25k on heads, let's go. Shee. Who's gone 25k? That's dirty. Whoa, we're going big. We're going big. We got 15 on tails. I'm going to cry if it's not Ed. Is it you, Slime? Oh my god, lovely copy mug. Thank you. I think it's just an IKEA one, you know. IKEA. Let's go, let's go. So we've got 40k in at the moment. Man, this widget looks fresh. You know, since I've just cleaned it up and stuff, it looks so much better, doesn't it? I've fixed the back end as well. I am going to be doing another update to this in the future. Utilizing the other currency. Oh, whoa, we got 50k in now. Holy wow. I'm just going to ask tell Siri to do flip coin and all. Any more bets? Any more bets? We've got 70k in right now. Whew, some tails could have a big split here. Come on. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. This is pretty hardcore, man. This is pretty hardcore. I can lock the predictions as well and stuff. Right, are we all ready? I should get a mug in your anime of you on my mug. Oh my god. Man, this is... I've not actually put any product in my hair today. This because I wash my hair every other day. And it's just gone nuts today. I don't know what's going on. Right. We're ready to go, aren't we? We've got 93k points in. Flip a coin. Oh! Shee! Oh, tails, baby. Oh, it just means you need to watch more of me, right? How sleek is that animation, man? How nice is that animation? Do we like it? Right, I'm buzzing about that. That's so I just need to write the documentation to it. And then I'll release that new one. Hey, Waldo, how we doing? You got so many points. Does look great. It looks real nice, doesn't it? How's things? You never text me back, Waldo. What did you think? Is it hard? Is it not? I think, yeah, I know you can use hotkeys, but I think it'll be like the icing on the cake. And you never know, it might get me talking to Elgato a little bit. Did I text you? Did I text you? Hang on a minute. Let's just... So I sent Waldo some money, and he put, I love you. And I put some love hearts back, and I put, do we make a Stream Deck plugin for my new OBS plugin? Will it be hard? Ignored. Blanked. Just does not care. Took me money and ran. He took me money and ran. Heartbroken. And then if it is, because obviously I can, do we do it by WebSocket or stuff like that? I'll never leave you on. See, it's just how it is, man. Is there any wonder why I felt like crap yesterday? It was just because Waldo didn't text me back. That was the only reason I felt like I just wasn't happy. Just because Waldo didn't text me back. Not even left on red, just straight up ignored. Exactly right. Bet 15k 170. Mate, that's dirty, that. That is dirty. After seeing Bongo's tits. That was so funny last night. Bongo accidentally put his camera on and he sat there with Chester. It was amazing. WebSocket can even write one in C#, so no need to learn another language for that. Ooh. You've now got me quizzical. On a scale from... Right, I'm going to ask some follow-up questions, because this is something I don't want to sink a ton of time into, again, because it's a free thing. It'll be like, I'll do this as a relaxing evening thing. How much time is it going to take up? You didn't text me back. A bit harder about it. It's too early for my brain. Sorry, Perusalem. It's just a language we use around here. It's just a language we use. Me, our, you, week. Oh my god. Well, do you want to make it then? If you Billy Big Bollocks over there, I can add whatever you want into WebSocket. No. Hey Bowser. You know what I mean? Why is he like this? I did look at something. I'm working website at the moment. Well, do you care to point me in the right direction then? Because I did see something about a C# wrapper or something like that. I did some mild research. I'm guessing that's what you meant by I can use C#. But then it was one of them things again where it wanted me to make a dev environment. I was like, I want to make a Stream Deck plugin for my new OBS plugin. Man, loading all the content takes a long time now. What did you put in there? Just the instructions that you told me to do. There's a template to get started. Nice. Biddy-doo. I saw a couple of different ones, though. A C# thing. Right, have fun with that. Why you say that, Trent? Why do you have to be like that? Why are you being like that? Yeah, we're all good. How are you as well, Bowser Big Burrito? I'm kind of new for you. See, to me, it sounds really easy. I was thinking of just doing two things. Two buttons that you can add. One, just set up, press it. That's it. That's your marker to whatever text that you put in there. And then I was thinking just have one that says it gets the current chapter name. You know what I mean? Even though that one probably wouldn't get used much. But then, I don't know. Do you have to keep the WebSocket active the whole time? Will it conflict with anything? Do you know what I mean? All these questions. You're streaming up early. Yeah, man. I stream early today because we're off to see Beth's parents tonight. Well, this afternoon, late afternoon. It's about an hour drive, so I've got to set off at like 3 or something. Do you know what I mean? You know, just when you just can't be bothered to drive, but it's just how it is. Yeah, so I think it would be a nice thing for people. They probably would like it. Rather than having a ton of different hotkeys. Why does this keep disappearing? How does this keep turning off? I don't... When I change scene... Right, I want to watch it. Oh. I remembered. Because when I change scene, all my sources turn off. And I just haven't got something to turn it back on. That's funny. So Beth will be bringing back her Yorkshire accent. She lost a Yorkshire accent? Question mark? What? When did this happen? They've just been out on a nice walk, bless him. Oh. Oh god, I don't know if I can be. I feel like it'll take me ages to make a Stream Deck plugin, right? Because I'm shit at coding. And what features would it need? It would be just get and set, wouldn't it? I could barely understand the woman when I was there. I ain't got a click. She's like, no, Duck, no. Babe, everyone's ripping you. You are? Yeah, I think that's all it need though, innit? It probably don't even need the get current thing, if I'm honest. But that it'll be nice to have that as a... What's it called? I feel like I want to do it, but I don't know. Hey, Pick Me, how you doing? Thanks for unfollow. What are you saying? What do you mean? What does one mean? What does one mean? All Yorkshire people are lovely. This is true. This is true. The further north you get, it's like... It's all happy times up there, man. It's all happy times. Is Andy bullying you? We don't do no bullying around here. Just do it. We need to do something. Yeah, but I don't... It's... Yeah, it's definitely not going to be an on-stream thing, because you're going to see me derp out, like, huge. I'm just going to be like, what? Right. Let's take a look. I'm glad the prediction thing's working. I'm glad that's all sorted. Right, let's have a little look at the... Have you got... Oh, this bell end's back again. Somebody just throat banhammer. Just this bell end. Hey, Baker. There you go. How are we doing? You followed me on Twitch, but I understand if it doesn't make you Portuguese. I don't recall unfollowing. So... To be fair, I didn't even know I followed in the first place. This is awkward. To be fair, I have unfollowed a ton of people unintentionally. So if you were one of them, that's Sag. So sorry. Jackson does a lot of this. And also me messing about with stuff does this. I had to refollow a bunch of people. I unfollowed Pirate Software, for God's sake. So I had to sort it out. Makes sense. I mean, I didn't physically, actively go press unfollow. If that makes you feel any better. But yeah. Portuguese probably doesn't really help. It's so relaxing. I know. No, this is what I mean. I didn't actively go and unfollow. I unfollowed a bunch of people. Because I was like, oh, why does this person never stream anymore? And then I go and search them and they're like, oh, they streamed yesterday. What? Did they? I have to press follow again. I'm like, what? So I've probably unfollowed bloody Silver and Waldo at the same time. Don't worry about it. Hey, your sister. How are we doing? You see the short from his stream regarding Windows Calculator? I did not know. Now, I do know it doesn't make sense to follow for sake of following. I understand. I mean, the thing still stands. Like, I didn't physically go and unfollow. Get streaming, Waldo, man. We miss you. What's the point of you coming to TwitchCon? Do you know what I mean? Right, here we go. I'm really confused at what's going on right now. On the number pad, if you're interested, go take a look. Yeah. Yeah, his shorts are great. I try and avoid watching content if I'm honest with you guys, because if I got sucked into like watching content, I just wouldn't make any content, and I'm not making. I looked at my YouTube, like just look at this, look at the state of this, look at the actual state of this. Let me just load up my YouTube dashboard. I also might need to start making YouTube content again, because for some reason my revenue has increased on YouTube, which probably means I ain't got extra views or anything. So it might mean that the YouTube gods have turned around and gone, you know what, let's give him some more money per view. So it might become worth it to make some YouTube videos. Look at this. Look at this. This is horrific. Absolutely horrific. The last YouTube video. Over 2 months ago, man. That's so bad. It's so bad. And you know, my name is combination. Every new content creator is coming to you for tips now. Honestly, it's just disheartening. Do you know what I mean? Like, this bloody short that I just put up there for no reason did better than 2 well-edited videos. Do you know what I mean? It hits you. It hits so hard. Like, some of these, like, it's just, what is the point? I get one good video in, so, do you know what I mean? Like, it's just not fucking worth it. And it just is not, it's not worth the time and effort. Like, some of these videos are so good and so useful, and then it's the ones that are crap that get all the views. Like, which one that I was proper questioning one the other day, and I was like, what? But yeah, you could just see the decline anyway. But revenue started increasing a little bit, so I might start posting again. To be fair, right, my live revenue is like, per 1,000 is like £7 per 1,000 viewers, obviously, because that includes channel memberships and stuff like that and whatnot, even though I don't really have any YouTube channel memberships. Well, the next video I'm going to do is of my new plugin, so that will be coming out. But I'm not going to put any effort into it. Well, until the ball's like rolling again, I'm not editing videos. It's just not worth it, man. I was putting too much effort into all this stuff to not get anything out. Post VODs to YouTube instead of leaving them on Twitch. What's the point in posting a VOD to Twitch when to YouTube when I'm live on YouTube at the same time? I'm being selfish. Oh, sorry, yeah. Stop talking about yourself, man. This is my stream. Why are you being like this? How are you doing, Yoshi Spyro, anyway? Did I say hello? I don't recall. Just post one. This is true. I have got some in a backlog that I need to post. I've got all these ready to go, which is nice. But I'm going to be doing a video next on my new plugin, because this is so good. 2 cats on stream. Meow. Meow. But yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, I've got to do all these. A couple of shorts in there, as you can see. I don't know. It's just not been one of those things that's interested me at the moment. I just told the mate to throw their cat at the window. Thanks for the guilt trip. But yeah, that's where all that stuff is. But to be fair, it's because I've been playing through this. Waldo, have you got an issue then? Do I need to change something about the website? All I've been doing is the documentation that you told me to. So, have I done something bad? Do I need to stop doing something? Or what? What's the crack? Do you mind if I pick your brain and suggest something since you're a streamer about Coda? Yep. Also because I'm a stamp licker. Hey-oo. It's just much more data. It's just going to keep getting more and more, though. Is that a problem? There's going to be more and more. There's just more and more everywhere. Something that has come to my attention. I need to fix a couple of things in the new plugin. Have I written it down? Have I written it down? Of course I haven't. So the website itself is snappy. Nice. So it's probably just because, obviously, it's gone as one big lump then, isn't it? Well, though, because, obviously, since you've looked at it last, I've done all this. Do you have a rough day when it's going to go live? Because I think there's only... oh, have I done documentation okay for you? The way that I've been putting the documentation in here and stuff like that. I don't know if I've done this right. Also, I have a lot of updates. Some of your products, which is good. Nice. The only ones that I really need to go for is Polaroid, Twitch Disconnect, Minim Predictions, like, done now. That's pretty much ready to go. I just need to do the docs for it and the website, but AI can do that. 'Cause I don't care. I don't care. Nobody reads it anyway. Literally nobody reads it because they just ask the same questions. That's literally on line 1 in the documentation. So there's no point in making it. But that's fine. That's fine. That's cool. And when all pages are updated, yeah, because we're going to link to Notion web pages for now. Afterwards, I can see if it works well in the new system. Nice, love that. You're waiting for Minim Prediction. Oh, do you want to see a demo of the new one? Guys, we're going to do another prediction for heads or tails. It works with up to 10 answers as well, obviously. Why can't you just rerun it? If I refresh it, will it let me rerun? No, it must be only if it's been cancelled, right? Right. Oh, no, there we go. Here we go. Here he is. Big chest bongo. So, this is the new version of it. Heads or tails, everybody. And you can see it counts up as a number now, which it looks sleek AF. I absolutely love it. Morning bongo. And like I say, it works everything. Yo, Terrell, dude, I saw that you had paid annually the other day. Thank you so much, man. That's ridiculous. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Knew another streamer that taught other people how to use OBS and many fun things you can do with it, but unfortunately doesn't stream no more. Who was that? I've been doing this for ages. Are you in Ask Me Anything mode? You can ask anything, yeah, that's cool. Anytime. I really need to do, like, some sort of message that says, like, it doesn't matter what we're doing, you can ask anything at any point. Can't do oh, mate, nobody's going in on tails here. Somebody could win big if it comes out tails. You know what I'm saying? And we'll use Siri again to do it. Hey, Amazing Yacht, how you doing, beautiful? But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it's come out. I'll be pushing this update pretty soon. I just need to, like I say, do the documentation that'll be on it. How can I use audio pitch to trigger source in summary? Advanced scene switcher seem to be limited to audio volume. Well, pitch is... Don't think there's anything default wise with audio pitch. So I'm just trying to think off the top of my head. There's nothing that works with like an EQ system. I mean, that'd be a great idea for another kind of plugin, though. But there isn't anything for specifically pitch. You got 10k on tails, right? Let's go for it. Flip a coin. Oh! Right, we'll resolve it over the tails. No? Hello, little monkey. Are you coming to say hello? Who's this? That. There you go. What have you just eaten then? Hey? Mwah.
Yeah.
Who's that? Can you see? Who's that? Who's that? He's the reason I don't get any work done anymore. Aren't you? Because we have too much fun. He loves the microphone. You're a good boy, aren't you? Are you going to go and have a nap? You're going to say, hi, yeah. He's still not walking. He's such a lazy boy. Aren't you? Look, who's that? Can you see? Who's that? That's a light. Who's that? Can you see? Who's that? Yeah. Can you do it? Jackson. You're mad for this microphone, aren't you? Is that your mum? Right, you ready? You gonna go to mummy? She's going to do your nappy, isn't she? He's more interested in a mic sock than blown raspberries. It's unsocked. Not gonna lie. You're also the reason we've got to move, aren't you? Monkey. Take up all the room. Oh, he's moving desk again. He does this all the time. I'll be just sat here working, and Beth and Jax will come in. Jax just comes straight to desk, turns it all the way up to the top, or comes in, presses, turn computer off, doesn't he? Oh yeah, little monkey. Can you say hiya, Jax? Yeah? Are you saying hiya? Hiya, hiya, hiya. Say hiya. You say hiya. Say hiya. Hiya. I think he's tripping. He's like, what? My dad's there. Put this in a mirror. Hey, Faves. Well, you'd be able to reach it if you didn't put bloody desk up to full. There we go. Back down. Oh, he's whacking Mike. Sorry, everyone. I'm going to tickle you. I'm going to get you. You've trumped. He's farted on me. Whoosh. You have trumped, haven't you? Are you doing a poo? You might be about to do a poo, mummy. Any rate, sweet. Good parenting, Andy. Blame the kid for their choices. It's always his fault. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Isn't it always Jax's fault, Mum? See? Exactly. She knows. Are you ready? There's Mummy dancing with her bum. Right, you ready? One. Are you going to say bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, Jackson. Say bye-bye, Jax.
Say night-night.
Get off the desk.
Say night-night, Jax.
You going to say night-night? You gonna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. 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 He is not bothered, is he? Not bothered about it. Right, you've come in here, you've wrecked place up. I see how it is, right? Let's turn tracking off. There we go. Because I don't think Mum wants to be on camera. Bye, Jax. You just punched me in the groin. Did Mummy just punch Daddy in the groin? Oh, nice that you did. You went,
You say night-night, Daddy.
Right, you're going to jump out next because it's going to get bloody hot in here if you're here.
Are you ready to melt down?
Go on, mister. Good boy. He's so sweet. Do not throw said child. I will do what I want. He's mine. I made him. Oh dear. Love it. Thought you wanted a bigger studio. I do. Bit my lip again. It's because I slept funky again last night. Just thinking of things. Right, here we go. Let's find out what we're going to do. So that was, anyway, the prediction. Oh my god, I can't see a thing. Does my head in. It's usually his fault as well. Jax just comes up to me and just like rams his grubby hands all over my glasses. Him or Dexter, one or t'other. I can never see where I'm going or whatever. Right. Right, you gotta go. No worries. Send nudes. I feel like a lot of people weren't here for that stream, so it's just gonna sound like I just want naked photos. I mean, I'm not gonna say no. Oh my god. Doko knows. Send nudes, man. Hot nudes. Also, the person I was talking about is Desynchro. I remember that name, yeah. They're not streaming anymore. I mean, your command is nudes. It's how it is. Send nudes, man. Your eyeballs. Should I take them out and give them a clean? Take them out and give them a clean. Right, I'm going to do Twitch disconnect then. Send nudes, man. Just stop being like this and just send me nudes. Send me Beth and Jackson nudes. I ain't turned TTS on. Pop the eyes, pop the eyes, pop the eyes. Yeah, Desynchro sounds familiar. Doko's in with the nudes. It gets sent to both anyway. Just to let you know, you don't need to put the command in. I mean, it helps with engagement though, that's great. Let's just update Speakerbot, just cause. Why not? I've updated everything else before going live and broke the stream. I must say, the new UI for your audio mixer is absolutely stunning in the new version of OBS. It is stunning. It looks so much cleaner. Like, not even just a bit. Don't see the command being used unless they pay attention. Yeah, that's true. Nobody pays attention anymore. Paying attention's overrated, man. All right, stick this down there, stick this down there, put that over there. And we will... Can't wait for stable release. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty stable, to be fair. I've not come across any issues. That's why I've just updated anyway. Beta 4 fixed a load of bugs, which was good. Sub to it. Sub to me, sub to me, sub to me. Just said people want short form content, shorter spent. Yeah, it's just how it is. It is just how it is. And unfortunately, like a lot of stuff that I do isn't short form content worthy because it's usually quite technical, isn't it? Which can be pretty off-putting for a lot of people. So there's a couple of bugs with Polaroid, if I remember rightly, that I need to fix. Disconnect should be super easy because it's a simple source system. I think I had some feedback though. 6 to 8 hours per stream gaming. No one will stick for that. I know, struggle. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I just feel like I need to get my bloody content rolling again. Because I've been so off it. And not really done anything. What version of beta is Streambot on? Because I tried to swap to beta, following the instructions on the site, but I'm still on... it's not in beta at the moment, it's on alpha. Streambot is only in alpha. The new version. So So I've not done any effects yet, but I've done everything else, which is good. That's not mine, that's not mine, that's not mine. Well, that is mine, but I'm taking it off the store. Because I'm just going to do an updated video. Audio mixer built in or plugin? I just use the normal audio mixer. I used to use audio monitor plugin from Exceldro, but ever since Elgato sent me the Wave XLR, I just use that. Just use that for everything. Because it's just easy. It's like a very minimal setup that I have. Good morning, Molzish. How you doing? Let's stick this over here. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I just need to do some product photos of it and stuff like that, which is pretty easy, pretty simple to do. Just need to do that, really. A lot of sources, but it's all been like optimized, so they all like use the same. This was something pretty clever that I did. So if you look at answer 1 and 2, they use the same source. All the sources are the same, as you can see. Like, this is the same source as this. It's got the same name. But on the group, I've done a color correction, which allows me to change the color of it. So they're all actually just this white source, but then I just color correct it to make them all different colors. Cool idea. Cool idea. Thinking outside the box. I like to think outside the box. Sometimes. Other times it just doesn't work. It's just a big no-no. It's a big no-no. Welcome. Hi, I'm Andy, and welcome to the No-No Factory. Right, I've got a choice on what to do. Oh, the stream goals thing. Oh, if that doesn't get turned on, I don't mind, actually. Don't mind. Minimum predictions, a main one that needs going on. OBS, yes. Streamlabs, no. Correct. Twitch, yes. TokTik, no. Yeah, TikTok's just a very strange place. There's a lot of strange places on the internet. Let's go just take a look at this, shall we? I'm going to go install the old version. I have this over here. Let's go. Look at how many's unreleased. That's unreleased. That's unreleased. Oh my god. I need to get some of this stuff out. I've been sat on it for like half a year. Fucking idiot. I'm in the wrong folder. Where is it? Twitch disconnect. There we go. Right. Video, buffering, and then whatever source. What? Oh, previous scene. Yeah. It's cool. The backlog's real. It really is. So today I found out USA can earn revenue from TikTok. Australia cannot. Made the joke. All the more reasons switch to YouTube. Oh my god. Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it, sometimes on what laws in certain locations and stuff like that. It's really weird. But you just gotta roll with it, haven't you? So the only thing I think I got asked for this effect was, can you make it so you can basically turn it off at any point? So you could do it on manual mode or something like that. So you can, it's not just a timer. Do you know what I mean? So do like an automatic mode where it pauses for a set amount of time. Oh, sorry. Yawning. I mean, that coffee evidently has not touched the side, does it? So I need to create a new folder called effects. And in there, I need to do another folder called Twitch disconnect. And inside there, we do the, as you can see, we've got like the load settings, everything like that. So I'm going to copy this, and this. Copy. And then I actually need to talk to... Was everyone here for the news yesterday, by the way? We've got the gamble thing, by the way. You guys are getting points, you know. You know when you do exclamation mark points? Bosh. You know this shiz. You got points. And you can do gamble, you can do... Oh, I forgot it doesn't... Oh, no, it's working. I've got some Andi Stones, man. You can do gamble. And points make prizes, man. Points make prizes. You can do gamble, you can do slots. And this is all the... You got 92 Andi Stones, man. There's a lot of settings though for that kind of stuff. Right, let me install the old version to here. I'm in such a procrastinator. I was talking to the boys about it yesterday. You know when you get to the end of a project, you just like can't bother to finish it. I like the beginning and the middle of doing a project. I hate the end. I hate getting to the end because I've become so slow and I just can't be bothered to do stuff. But it's just how it is, isn't it? Minimum prediction, that is done. That can go. Record chapter manager. Wait, there's an end? There is. To some things that I've done, there is an end. There is. There's not most of the time, but sometimes there is an end. Right, that needs replacing. Just uno momento. Stick that there. Replace that. Stick this in here. Right, is there going to be an easier way of doing this? Well, let's just update this version number to 3. There's a major release. I'll write that down on the Notion as well. We're going to be going to, where are you? Twitch disconnect. You could do slots and gamble as well, guys, if you want to use it. You just have to put in how many points you want to use. Oh, Waldo's doing stuff. Waldo's doing stuff. Is there an easy way to handle this? Ayo. Hey, and more than one I put in. Fix the YouTube embed? What's up with it? Oh no, I don't know why this keeps doing this. Like, I don't understand why it keeps doing this. Every time I put the embed in there, it's like, nah, you're alright. Switch account. Stream up. It works fine for everything else, but this one seems to just keep going weird. I don't know why. Content, where is it? FF8 alerts, isn't it? Alright. Get shareable link. It's unlisted, so it should be absolutely fine. Paste it in there. I don't know what keeps happening. That's the link to it, Walton. And that link works fine, but for some reason, the embed's just not working. I don't know why. Test added a whole line and the doc stretched OBS. If OBS is maximized, current chapter and previous chapter stretch over audio mixer. Have you got some screenshots? What? You want me to put I thought I'd done what? Video? Embed video. It's the same that I've done on everything. I've done the exact same thing on every single one of these. Well, I'll even copy this one. Can I just copy it? Hello? It's like the same thing. Well, if I change the link, it just doesn't. I don't understand. Get shareable link. Alright? More. Replace. Paste. That's a different thing. I don't know what it is. I don't know if you can fix it. I just don't get it. It's as if Notion just doesn't like that one thing. If I change it to something else, so I'll just get another link, exactly the same thing. Works. It's just this one video. It's like, now you're alright. Get a shareable link. Replace. Good spot. Oh, no. Thank you so much, Tarot. I appreciate it. They're all unlisted. They're all exactly the same. It's that one video that's just like, no, you're alright. This one. They're all exactly the same. Unless I just go public. Maybe I public it. See if that does anything. Are you talking about this tool? This is Notion. Meta. This is Notion. It's just it doesn't like this one link. I don't get why. Can I use like a different link? Maybe if I go to the actual YouTube page and get the long link. Yeah, it just doesn't like that link. That's really weird. That's really weird. It just doesn't like the shorthand link of it. Makes no sense. That literally makes 0 sense. There is no reason for that to just not work. stupid. It's stupid. Right, so we've got this year's is it working now, Waldo? Do 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 do. Right. Don't need checks. Settings. Don't need check. Don't need check because it all gets done automatically. Got to import all the data again. Oh no. Select settings. Right. Well, add these. That's fine. Do 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 do. F2. We'll rename and we'll put here Twitch. Oh, press it again. There we go. Right, cool. What's the sub number? 19. 19, blah, 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 scene name. That will be here. Product version, yes, question mark. Right, first thing I need to do whilst I remember. Did you unlist that video? I did, I think I did. I've gone off the webpage. It doesn't matter if it's public. It's on the Stream Up YouTube channel. Anyway. What am I looking for? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm doing something. Oh, I need to set the version number of this scene. And set. I did something that made me really happy the other day. I think it was yesterday. So you know how I have done min prediction, and they all work on a show and hide transition. So they fade out, fade in. I had to set all of these show and hide transitions. So you definitely know I coded it. They just set all of them to fade transition 1000 because of the Stream Up OBS plugin. I've added so many shortcuts. It's so good. So many shortcuts now. So I didn't have to go through every single one of these and add the show and hide transition. Just literally pressed a single button. It just went brrr, done in about 4 seconds. This doesn't use any fonts, so we can remove required fonts, I believe. That should default to null if I am correct. In fact, I must have loaded it in at the bottom. Yeah, there you go. So it would load it in as null, which is cool. Where is the settings? Pull the settings up again. And we'll grab these. So we've got the OBS connection. We've got full screen mode, question mark. Either way, it's a boolean. So we'll grab the bool. General settings. Full screen mode. We'll have it as true. How do I want to do this? So we've got the freeze time, the buffering time, and the disconnection time. I'll do like an automatic mode. Handle animation automatically. Trying to think how. Do I just do it as?
How do I get that tighter? It's not working.
What are you wearing?
I'm going to take a bath.
Is this new?
It's really
Oh yeah, because that's your whistle. Oh yeah, he's not sleeping.
It's not here.
Just give me 1 second. Hey, Big Teddy, how you doing? I just need to help the wife out 1 sec. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So she's off out for a run. She's going on an hour's run. I'm like, what? An hour run? I was like, what? How? So she was wanting to put a backpack on so she can take some water and stuff. And you know them annoying straps where they're really difficult to tie in because you have to undo it and then like normal, they're just really annoying, aren't they? I just had to help her with that. The video works now. Nice. Good, Anakin, good. Right, so we're doing the settings. How's she gonna get it off? No, she just needed help tightening it. The straps because it was really loose around the stomach. Pardon me. Like, they're just annoying, aren't they? Aren't they? What do you think the best way of doing this is? I'll put manual mode, maybe, instead. So manually transition through no, I'll put I don't manually end the effect. I'll put as false. That's default, and then hey artist, did you get them bits finished last night, TD, by the way? Did you get them all done in the end? Oh shit, here we go again. Manually end. It's cool. When you are uploading a new video for broke YouTube guys like me. What? Is that... Does that even make any sense? I don't know what you mean. Is there anything else that needs adding? Because I've got the times, haven't I? I was trying to fix the issue last night, so it didn't work on Slots or Gamble. Oh yeah, no worries. Waldo says we can do a Stream Deck plugin in C#, apparently. Hey Dylan, thank you very much for follow. Put your rock the stone. How'd you find us today? I'll do another section called animation. Oh my god. So I'm being a little bit quiet because the little man's asleep. I'm good, Dylan. How are you doing? So we'll do ints for these. And we'll do the freeze time. What we got? Buffering time. And disconnection time. How long this does? We'll just copy this. And this is 5. Another 5 seconds there. /n. This is ignored if manually and the effect misread that terribly. It was again. No gamble, no gamble. No gamble, no gamba. No gamba. No gamba. Give me gamba. I want gamba. Gamba, gamba, gamba. Right, cool. So they're all the settings. Don't think I need to apply any other logic to this at all, which is fine. So I'm going to jump into the next section for the load settings. And the first thing we need to do is add... do we need to add these to here? I want to have a look what the other one does. I feel like it doesn't do much. Oh. Oh. What even is this? Ooh. Like what? I'm just looking at something like public pool, isn't it? Full screen mode. Is that the only thing I need to pull there? I think it is. And then all I need to do is remove this because we don't use anything there. OBS instance we don't need, and all I need to do is an if. I'm pretty sure. So if full screen product settings dot full screen mode. So if this is true, we need to set the input settings. So we do cph.su input settings, set input settings. We add the product number, the OBS connection, which is product settings.obs connection, the input name, which would be Twitch disconnect source, like so. Oops. And then the settings that we want to adjust, this would be clone type to 2. Bosh. Oh my god. There we go. So that sets, what's that? It was just some horrific coding, is all. Now then, ladies and gents, boys and girls, it's me, Cricket to Pie 69. I'm here for a good time. He loves it, doesn't he? He's mad for it. What the hell is that? Else this needs to do something different. Right, so this will do the same thing, but this would be clone type 1, no 0, sorry, 0. But then we want to open up automatically this. Change this to product settings .obs connection. So that will open the input properties, so you can select what source you want to use. by a factor of 10, did you actually? Slash yawn. Thanks for the feedback, Rez. I'll update it when I update it. I'm not doing any more to that plugin for a bit because it takes too much time and it literally generates zero revenue. So if I do any more work on that plugin, I ain't eating. Slash not living. So no can do. So we've got a message box there. I wonder if we could put a message box in here. I think I have SUUI show information. This could be what I need. Message. Please select what source. Scene name. What? Fuck me. This is a bit weird. Okay. We'll do this. Please do this. That's cool. The Twitch disconnect scene. Let's just see if that works. All right. What number did I say this was? 19, wasn't it? 19? Yeah. No, 19. 19. Right. Let's just load it in and see what happens. It's probably not going to work, but get over it, won't we? La 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 la. I wish there was an easier way to just copy this stuff across. Get the references. Right, now we've got the settings menu, the new lovely settings menu. Full screen, manual in effect. Cool. Full screen mode is active. Is that the one that we want to? No. Full screen is true. It should just set that to previous scene, which is fine. So if I turn that one off, it should give us a pop-up. Not that one. Here we go. Please select the source you would like to do stuff with, and that'll open this as well. Cool. So then you can select the source that you want to use there. Makes sense. That's cool. And then that'll tell you that it's done. So if I run that settings again, but this time tell it to turn full screen mode on, it should be just, it shouldn't say anything. There we go. Cool. Thanks for turning the lights out, Yoshi. Silver's voice messaging me. Take your shirt off now. Twitch disconnect. I counted 104 A's in the example. Yeah, I'm just not like patching something like that until I get some time. Supersonic racing. Everybody. So for the main action, I don't think there's actually too much logic in this at all. When you're supersonic racing. We will need to add in the public int for what is it? 3 things. 1, 2, 3. And we have the what? 4 freeze. Oh shit! We need the full screen mode as well, actually, in this. So we need to pull this, because then that checks if it needs to do a transition to that scene, basically. So we have freeze, time. What was the other one? If I type in time, will it just come up? Yeah, animation time, and we have got buffering time as well. Time. Oh no, animation. What? Animation time's not a thing. Why is it pulling prediction stuff? What are you saying? Buffering time. The other one. The other time. Disconnection time. Cool. Nice. Don't need to pull OBS because that's already in there. So we need to get current scene, which is cool. What did I say this was? 19. We don't need to process any events, so that can all get binned. Everybody. Current scene. Hey, mushroom. So I need a okay, so the way that I'm going to do this is we will get the current scene. So we'll do string current. We'll say previous scene, right? Previous scene equals product settings dot OBS connection. So we've got the previous scene there, and we're also going to probably set that as a global, because we'll need to basically reuse it if we want to manually escape out of the effect. So we'll do set global variable. The variable name would be product number, underscore, what was it called, previous scene. The value of it would be previous scene, and it would not persist. And at the end of this, would we need it to... We'll run 2 different versions, to keep it simple. It doesn't matter about any repeated code. Screw it. So we'll have manual end. Oh, no. Hang on. Because I'm doing this a different way to this. Show source, what you're saying. And if it's full screen mode, it does the transition. Okay, so we do this. Product setting, no, product info dot scene name. And this is this. Because we pull this across into there. So that's what gets the scene ready and loads it in. So we'd only want to pull this if it's not already active. Right? Or we'll pull this. Because if it pulls that, it should just return null, right? Global. Need to get my together and finish setting up my streamer list with streamer. Anyone want to give me attitude? I'm definitely not the correct person to speak to about that, Doko, because I am the most lazy person at the moment. I'm just not getting anything done. It's not great. Variable name is... We might as well just copy it from here. Oh, come on, dude. This is false. We'll just load that in as... in fact... We'll load it in as this, right? Do that. And then... If previous scene... what is it? Isn't... I've got C and C++ in my mind, like, massively. What is it? Is null or empty? How have I forgotten? What is it? Is it first or after? How am I so bad? I want is null or empty, man. And what have I just pressed here? I've just pressed it F11 somehow. I just want to do is if previous scene's null or empty. Well, if it's not. This will then set that. God, it's getting hot in here again. As soon as that door's shut, man, it gets annoying. Open to and you don't take it. Where's the real Andy? I'm just chill. String, that's the boy. Thank you. I just needed the reminder. But I need if it's yeah, if it is null or empty. I hate having to do like double negatives sometimes. You know, like if it's not, is null or empty. It just confuses the shit out of me. So if it's null, then it sets it. If not, it's Gucci. Cool. Might as well set up source. Because if it's already got the previous scene, it's not going to reset it, right? And what I need to make sure it does is we'll run a public void. We'll say auto mode animation we'll do the automatic animation. We'll just keep them separate. So oh no, this is we actually don't want that. I'm thinking about it wrong. This start animation, let's just copy this. We need to change this for product settings. If product settings dot full screen mode, then it needs to do what? Set scene transition override. Did I set cph.su transition? Set scene transition override. Of course I did. Product number, product settings, OBS connection, the scene name, product info, scene name. Hey, Pegspec Gaming, how we doing, baby? I hope you're all right. The scene is called cut, and the transition will be 50 because it goes a bit funky if. Set scene, product info, scene name. Let us just replace, oh my god, this, copy, find. How about you? Yeah, I'm Gucci, thank you. Just busy. I've got really itchy nose. Product settings, OBS connection. Let's go. And we'll grab this thing here, copy, find that, and we'll replace that with product info dot scene name. Okay, let's come on, run that. Freeze time, buffering time, and then the disconnection time. This is where it goes different, because this will depend if Rabbit Hammer, hello. I used to have a question about StreamerBot and chat thing if you don't mind. Yeah, feel free. I can try my best. Can't guarantee I can help, but I can only do my best. Everybody supersonic racing. Previous scene is the variable we should be using. There. Okay, so that's fine now. Yep, I have got it stuck in my head. That's because it's a banger though. Product settings dot manual. What did I call it? Manual? Something or other? Oh, I've not even added it in as a settings. Moron. Where is it? Manual mode. Yeah, manual mode. Public. Bool. Manual mode. There we go. And then now I can do if manual mode. Then it will do this. The stream remote connects to the first live stream it picks up from your connected YouTube. Or does it add them all? It's just the first, I think. I don't really do much YouTube testing, if I'm honest. I just press go live. I don't really do YouTube streams. I'm mainly on Twitch. Right, so if the manual mode's on... No, if it's off, sorry. Good job I was paying attention then. So if manual mode is false, it'll do the automatic. If it's full screen, switch back to the previous scene, blah, 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 blah. I'm just going to do... I'm going to have to do another variable, I think. Unless I can just keep using this same variable. No, because it sets the scene there, doesn't it? Just test it. That's all I can suggest is I haven't tested these things. So I can't really help you. Your YouTube description does have a link back to Twitch, by the way. It'd be right. What am I doing making a bot? No, I'm making a effect. I make tons of widgets and stuff, like all the things that you see on my stream are pretty much made either by me or the people that I know. And right now I'm doing like a disconnection thing that makes it look like I've disconnected from Twitch, which is pretty cool. But it's just taking a little bit of concentration, but I'm procrastinating so hard. These variables are wrong to start with. I need to change these. Wait, product settings, dot freeze time. Oops. Dot buffering time. This as well goes to disconnection time. So much easier. And this one, once more, is if dot full. Good luck with your project. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it. So that mutes the sources. But I only want this to run if it's not currently active. So I might need to do a second variable. So we'll set something here. We'll say active, and we'll set it to true. And then this can get ramped into there, because that will only have to happen when it first loads. Makes sense. And then it'll move on to doing all this. So, oh, fuck me. Let's do a first time run thing. So we'll do a, should we do it as that? Yeah. So we'll do, oh, Jesus Christ. God, I've got such an itchy nose. What the? It's like really stings. Main. We'll do first time run. What am I doing here? That's why it's being weird. Moron. Because first time being run, we'll get it to just do all this, right? Because we'd get it to run this. We'll send through the previous scene as well, even though it's going to be empty. Oh, actually, it doesn't matter. We just set it up as a string here, that's fine. So that loads that in. And then we'll get it to do all this. Because if it is null or empty, then it needs to run the first time. And then it'll do all this. Like that. So that would be this, right? If manual mode's off, it'll do that. Done. Finished. Completed. Yeah? And then if this is else, that means it's already active, so we don't need to do a active variable because we know that it's already active. If it's manual mode, and then here we will say previous scene, we can unset that variable, because if it's not manual mode, it runs through everything that it should do, and we'll do cph.unset global variable, and the variable in which it is just variable name, right? Yeah, this, and then false, because it's not persisted. So we're gonna set this one into there, and I'll unset that to make it go back to first time run. So razzle that, cool, finish. And then if this button runs again, this will then just allow us to run this section, right? Oh shit, when does it? Oh, I've not actually added that section. I've not added the end where it resets. That's funny. We'll do public void. Reset. Hey, good morning, Clary D. What's going on, baby? Hope you're doing well. Thanks for giganticizing me. Giganta. Boom. So that resets it. So we need to tell that to do its thing. Run the action to do that, and then reset. Like so. Yo, Rabbit Hammer, thank you for subscribing it over on YouTube. Appreciate it. Let's run that after. Oh, I need to unset it as well, right? So I need to run both of them, unset the previous scene. Does that make sense? I've kind of just done it without thinking about it, really. Which, I think I've done it a bit backwards. Hey, Dr. Padawan, how you doing? Let's just paste and just see what happens. That's just what we do. Uh-oh. Oh, no, we're good. Man, what's going on with my nose? Right, so, if I am on this scene. Right, we need to get virtual camera on. Start virtual camera. Let's bring in a virtual camera into here. OBS. Obs. Alright, cool. That's fine. Let's just run the settings again. Touch disconnect settings. Trigger, yeah, full screen mode. Manually end effect off. Save. And then we'll just trigger the effect. We should get some stuff happen. Or not. Why did that not even do anything? Set scene transition. Didn't like that. Set scene transition override. Why didn't it like it? Why did it? Something about the transition name. What? Whilst trying to pass the transition. Have I just never used this? Is it just broken? Better heal up. You're telling me. Is this just broken? I must have used it for something else, surely. Scene name, transition duration. What be the beef? Scene name, cut. Let me just trigger it again. Oh. No, what? Oh, yeah. No, it's because it would have, yeah. Alright, so that fires through an error when trying to read this. Unexpected character count on transition name. Let's find out. Let's go open up Raw. We love it Raw, don't we? Let's go check this out then. Scene. Disconnect from this one and go to this one. Set then. What? So what doesn't it like then? That could be... Right, that means I need to rebuild. Oh, look at all these things. Don't want any of this. I don't remember my command. This one. Oh, here we go. Shit, which is my command? I really should just have saved this as like an automated command. Hey Steve, how you doing? Shit, man. I'm intrigued. Riddle me intrigued. What have I done with it, man? That's the boy. Build. There we go. You're exhausted. How come? That's not a good sign. Surely. It's not a great sign. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, shibuya. Right, that in theory should work now. So if I minimize this, where's OBS, man? It's there. There's that handsome chap. There we go. Cool. I'm a festival in charge of the bars. Oh my god. Jeez. That's crazy. I bet you were flat out. Alright, should reset after 10, go back to previous scene. Cool. So now, if I run that again and put manual mode on the settings, so we'll turn manually end the effect. Yep. Nope. And I'll trigger it. That will trigger the effect, and it'll be on, and it'll basically just stay on until I manually turn it off by running the same thing. So this should just stay on for as long as I want. In theory. And then if I trigger this again, well, we could easily see, yeah, it's not running anything. Press this again, and boom, instant. Cool. There we go. I've added the feature people wanted. I've added the feature that people wanted. It seems to work. I opened a pull request in your OBS chapter marker plugin. It's not even released yet. This is why I'm not making changes to it. Like, I don't... This is genuinely why I'm not doing changes. For this exact reason. Because it's not been accepted onto there yet. I'm also... The reason... That's not the fix that I'm doing for that. I don't want custom messages for... Because if I need to use... So the issue is not adding the chapter marker as an OBS module. I wasn't meant to use an OBS module because I need it to be in a single language for error messages and stuff like that. Otherwise, it will cause a headache further on down the line. So that's not the fix that I want to do for it. The fix is just leave it in English. Which, like I say, it will be sorted. So that should have worked. I suppose I need to add a audio source just to make sure, right? Because that'd be very mean. I mean, it should just work, in theory. 700 people. Oh my god, Steve, get your feet up, man. Go relax. Is there anything else that I need to change to this? Is there anything else I need to change? Don't think so, right? You just need to set up if it's manual. You just need to set up some kind of button for it. Right? I've no longer feet. Bless you. Let's just export it. Dum 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 dum. Oh shit, I've just pressed something. I don't know what it does. It saves some kind of screenshot. I've got a blank button on my Stream Deck and I actually don't know what it is. I just pressed it and it's done something and saved a screenshot. So that could be awkward. So this is 3.0.0. Stream up effects. Twitch. Disconnect. Oh my god, I can't type. I can add custom success messages. Yeah, that's why I put that in the WebSocket. It's as if I thought about it, Rez. It's as if I thought about it. Disconnect, yeah. That's another one done. Right, that's cleared. That's cleared. But I'm glad you're enjoying it, Rez. That went really weird. Don't know why that was. Glad you're enjoying it. Source copy. Back this scene up now. Twitch disconnect. Should have the sources in there. Otherwise, where else did it get the files from? I mean, it is me at the end of the day. It could be anywhere. I didn't actually change anything in OBS other than the version number, which is good. I'll give it a 5-star. Ayo. Is that it? Right, I just need to add the page to here. Okay, back to sleep. No worries, Clarity. Thank you so much for the 10 bits. I really appreciate it. I just need to update. Where are you? Where are you? Twitch disconnect. This one, just here. I need to tick this box, and I need to also create a new page for it. Much love, Clary D, baby. Oh, shit. What time is it? 1:13. Shit, the bed. The day just goes so quick, man. And I feel like I don't get anything done, ever. It's just, the day just disappears. Product documentation is what I need. I need to create a new view. Hey Beige, how you doing? Right, alright, how do I do this again? I need to edit this database to allow me to create a new thing. Right, okay. What I'll do is duplicate this. Kiddos make the day pass so fast. Yup. Telling me. Import. Effects. Create. And then what I need to do is duplicate this. Oh shit. Duplicate this view. And we do effects. Filter it. Widgets for effects. Remove that. Save for everyone. And boom goes the dynamite. Twitch disconnect documentation. Cool. So I just need to fill this out. Let's just get the link to it. And we can go and stick that link in here. I don't even know if I actually need to do this. Twitch disconnect, and then link this to Twitch disconnect as well. Cool. Boom. This will be public. Alright, it's in progress, that's fine. Effect. Cool. Hey Mima, how you doing? Are you well? Whilst I've got Notion open, there is something that I need to do in the plugin database. Rewards Theatre is now available for Mac as well. Rewards. Oops. It is now available for Mac. Copy link address. Boosh. Easy. E to the Z. How do you adjust the size of the digital ticker? There's a setting. Or do you just mean in OBS? Because if you're in OBS, you just change the size of the source by just dragging it in one side. The length of characters wise, you can change in settings. It's just in literally just in the settings thing, and it automatically does everything, which is pretty cool. Oh, I've not updated that link in here. Install instructions. Let me just update this. Edit notepad. Let me get this link where I... This one. It's confused where to adjust size, but thanks for the answer. It's all good. Don't save. All good. And then now I can zip this bad boy up, I think. Stream up. Effects, Twitch. Disconnect. V3.0.0. I definitely did update that, didn't I? Yeah, cool. Hey, Slow. How you doing, baby? I lose sticks. Uh, That's another one done. No, 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 no. Don't remove. What are you doing? I didn't want any of this. Loving the shirt. Thank you, baby. It's pretty casual shirt for me, isn't it? Yeah, the blue's pretty cool, right? Always roll the sleeves up. Maximum tanning, you know what I mean? Maximum tanning. Wii Sports still, yeah, I completely agree. 28 degrees. Oh my god. Yeah, it's getting warm, isn't it? It's getting pretty hot. It's pretty hot indeed. Right, so all that's left, predictions done. Just need to do docs. Minimum stream goals can wait, that's fine. There is also, man, I think we're like there. Nothing else up here. Everything up here is unreleased. Or not mine. Gollum picking his nose. What do you mean Gollum? That's Andy. That's me, bro. It's not no Gollum. That's me. It's me. What are you saying? It's literally me. Like for like, bro. Oh shit, what is this? Why is there a blank entry? I don't know why there's a blank entry. I'm going to delete it. Right, I'm pretty happy with where that is now. In a good spot. It's just very like time consuming, isn't it? Some of this stuff. It's crazy how much cool stuff I've got unreleased. Like Minim Raid Out, that's awesome. I think that's gonna be the first thing that I do release as a new product. Random sub emote unlock. Let's go. Right, I'll be right back. I just need to pop that little boys. Won't be a tick. Jeez, it is so hot in this room. I leave the room for 2 minutes and it's like amazing. And then I get back in here and I'm just like, it is just so hot, man. I thought man walked in without pants. That's on the OnlyFans, baby. That's on the OnlyFans. That is on the OnlyFans, don't you worry. Don't you worry. You guys know how to find it. You guys know how to find it. Hell yeah. It's the way I like it, man. Oh. Let me see your spicy nudes. I'll give you mine in return. Right, I think... I love it. I need to create like some animation or something, man. Let me see your nudes. Right, what time are we on? Because, like I say, I have got to go and meet Beth's family at later. I'm looking for a tab that I've got open somewhere. Spelling noodles with Polaroid stick. Something like that. Sounds about right. Sounds about right, Doko. I am not bread. You are. Man, I feel like I need to go and get something to eat, actually. What time are we on? 1:30, yeah. I'm gonna have to get something to eat, I reckon. I think I might call it there. Just so I can go and get some food. Nudes kind of made me want to make the same command for the result. Yeah, man. I just need nudes, man. Just send nudes. Just send me some nudes. Everyone calls me Doko. Call me Doko. I am not bread. You're exactly what I tell you are. Just saying. Right, I've got a raid target. We're gonna go jump off on the raid. Because I am starving. I'm just kind of like really shaky. You know when you're hungry and you just like start shaking a bit. Oh, for God's sake. What do I do? Yeah. So we're gonna go across to Captain Coda. What day are we on? Sunday, aren't we? Oh my God. I might be back this evening, depending. I might be, might not be. But we're drawing so close to the end of all this stuff now. So I can get back doing something really creative again. Maybe do some games just to start having a bit more fun, a bit more relaxed, because it's been very work heavy, hasn't it, at the moment. I'm also going to record a video this afternoon, ready to release. Holy shit, what is wrong with you? You are the same colour as that.
You driving 10k, 23 degrees.
Jeez, right, I need to go and help my wife. She's dying. Andy owns straight about nudes and bar. You are? No worries, babe. Yeah, spot on. Right, I will see you all soon. Then I'll either be back later on tonight, or I'll probably do some evening streams this week. because normally I don't stream Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, do I? But I'll probably do some evening streams just to get some extra streams in since we're going to TwitchCon. And if you are going to TwitchCon, I'll see you over there. Make sure you come and say hello to me and all that jazz. All right, much love to you all. Thanks for hanging out and being awesome and sticking me through this boring time of the streams. So thank you so much. Put your rock in the stone. I'll see you soon.